What I really liked about Enshu is they paid attention to detail, to the littlest thing. Very, very, very detailed. And a lot of machine tool builders don't do that. I think I'm pretty safe in saying that anybody that purchases an Enshu and has to deal with the Enshu people, they will not be disappointed in them because they are solid and they stand behind anything. Not that there's much that goes wrong with these machines, trust me. But there's no screwing around. They take care of business.
This is a company we had never realized was there. We talk to people, what machines do we run in our shop? We'll tell them we run Enshu machines, and they will look at us and say, well, who is that? And I'll say, they're one of the most premier Japanese machine builders around. You'll get a little bit of a glossed over look, and it's not till they go and they do their homework that they find out this company's been around a long time, produces really high quality machines, and then the light bulb comes on for them. My name is Gary Ballard. I'm Vice President of Summit Machine Works. Summit Machine started out as a small job shop. We worked to kind of find our niche in the hydraulic industry, specifically in the block manufacturing portion of the hydraulic industry. We currently have 11 GE460s and we have one GE480. My overall impression of the Enshu Machine Centers are wonderful. Speed, obviously the speed of the machine, the actual rapid rates of the machine, tool change times, and uptime, basically that the machine doesn't go down. They have been performing flawlessly since the day of install. Any little minor issue has been corrected immediately and resolved on any and all of the machines that we've had in-house. And that was huge for us. I mean, being in the high volume world, we don't have time to be down. Again, when it comes to the Enshu, the one thing that I guess I didn't even touch on in here is what Enshu brings to the table out of the box compared to what the competitors bring out of the box is night and day. I mean, with all the features turned on, believe me, that was a huge selling point. So it's the little things now that set you apart. From the first time we brought Enshu into the building until where we're at today with the 12th Enshu, our relationship with the team at Enshu has done nothing but get stronger. It was like there's this machine that nobody's heard of, but yet the performance level is top notch. And so we're not sure where they were hidden in the rough here, but this diamond was there. It was just, nobody knew about it. And I'm glad that we stumbled on it.